name's Adiha.
My name's Ameera. Today we're in the car, and you know what we're gonna do today? We are gonna brought our new surprises with surprise some order. And this is my sunglasses, and you know I'm Ameera, and my mask.
I'm Adiha.
We wear mask because it's coronavirus, and don't forget coronavirus because. And also, it's coronavirus, so you have to stay in the house and save.
We're so excited to open our new surprises for the first time for open our new surprises.
Yep, and I'm so excited. And I'm kind of sleepy, but I don't want to sleep. I want to play.
It's kind of really cool surprise. I can wait to open.
Yep. My hair is disturbing me.
I wait to see which Barbie doll I got.
Yep, we are. Let's open a mask. We can open mask in only car.
Yeah.
And not somewhere else.
This is the coronavirus.
Yeah. Not today, all day.
Yeah, all day.
Yeah. Well, so we're in the car. So let's have fun.
We're just going to home, back.
Yep, not back home or back home. We don't know where we're going. Because Daddy's driving the car.
Today such a fresh air coming down to the sun. This kind of fresh air is coming with the AC.
Yeah. You can see back from here. I don't know what it is. What's my Daddy something or not? Or we buy this.
I just like this fresh outside.
Me too. And it's sunny day. That's why we're wearing sunglasses.
When we open our sunglasses, when we open our sunglasses, but sun is coming, we doesn't see.
Yeah, I can see now because now sun is somewhere else. Oh, sun is in the back. I can see back.
Oh, not for fresh air.
Yeah. This time we should open our sunglasses.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's put it back in there. I just like this dash.
I just like this day. It's too nice and refreshing day.
Yep.
And we also turn on the AC.
When we go to we go to home, we can open our surprise. Well,
yeah.
I'm so
you can see in part 2.
Yeah, I'm so thirsty, so I'm gonna drink first to go to water, and I think I'm gonna wash my hands first.
Yes, because don't forget coronavirus, so wash your hands all day. And also wash your hands because germs will come. And before you eat, wash your hands. Scrub,
because where hands is already germs come.
Yeah, because it's coronavirus and it's already our hands germs. And everywhere can be germs, even in us and the car and everywhere.
Yep, I can see myself. They has mirror in the car.
Yep, she did. She's beside her mirror. And we also have here from Daddy Mirror, another one.
You see the outside in the background, so fresh, right?
Yep. I think Mommy and brother will be so happy because we made new video.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see how
in the car. I'm so excited when Mommy said, "Wow, new video!" I'm so happy for that.
I can wait to open my new surprise.
When we open surprises, see, you can see in part 2. We have in part 2 some Barbie dolls and what is it called?
I can wait to open.
I don't know, but Barbie dolls and Hello Kitty kitchen and a doll house.
I can't wait to open my Barbie doll because she's so pretty.
Yeah, what if she has the same hair like Elisa or Teresa? Or like us?
I think not Elisa's hair because her hair is like brown.
Oh, my hair is too cold because the AC is on. I never see hair can be cold. I think today it's gonna be more fun day to be in.
Yep.
In this car video. I think you will love car video so much.
I'm just so excited.
Me too. And we also have we got this nice bow. Daddy gave us Daddy gave us it as a surprise. And also Mommy.
When we go to home, we can tell Mommy we back, and we're gonna see Mommy with surprise we got from.
So we actually cut this hair. Yeah, cut it. And that's why I kind of look like Rachel.
When we go to class, we can back our hair like this.
Yeah, we can do like this. Let me show you our headbands. If you don't like this hair, you can just do like this. Yeah, and that. Then
we better get this dress when bought the dress.
Yeah, it's actually I choose. I tell to Mommy, and can we buy 2 of them, and Daddy, because one for sister and one for me.
I kind of like this.
Whoa, look at this picture.
Oh yeah, and I kind of like this day.
I kind of like it too. Oh, up bridge or some letters.
I think it's upstairs, downstairs, and upstairs. We can up and down. I just like to walk.
Wait, my shoes is
You like our both bands? Where our Mommy and Daddy give us this band, and we also have Minnie Mouse.
Yup, did you see in next video? We wear them and can change colors.
Yup, and it's my one blue, and when I drown it's silver.
And my one is red. My one's it's a red, and if we turn it, it's a golden or light brown or yellow. I think it's yellow. You know I like yellow. Actually, I really like pink, purple, white. She's orange, and I very like rainbow color.
And I kind of like orange, but I just like rainbow because, and I just like the rainbow when rains come, it can shine rainbow.
Yup, sunny day rainbow come.
Our teacher tell how rainbow grow up.
Yeah, there's some rainbow color we know.
7 colors.
Yeah, there's 7 colors.
Yeah, this
red 1, and then orange 2, yellow 4, green 5, and then
blue.
Light blue
And dark blue.
6, and then dark blue
And purple.
7, and purple 8. Oh, sorry, there are actually 8 colors.
But our teacher kind of bullied us, and so I think he chose 7 color.
Yeah. We're almost here.
Yeah.
Pink flowers started coming. I think you will like the car video so much because I like car videos, or maybe I like car videos, or maybe you like
Car video is kind of really late to finish.
Yeah, when we coming home, that's when it's finished.
Kind of people looking at us.
Yeah, maybe people thought we're making a video or something.
I just like this day, how like this day everything.
I can see the truck over here, it's gone.
You can see me while who's coming, Sandy's coming from
I think
the
I'm scared, so I'm gonna wear a mask.
I don't want to see future's gonna come out.
And sunglasses to protect my eyes.
Maybe I
And
can
sunny day.
sunglasses. Isn't it cool this day?
Look,
I just
2 people wearing masks from coronavirus.
yeah, because it's coronavirus.
Yeah, a lot of
I wait to see how coronavirus
And,
gonna finish, so we can go to water park.
And don't forget, you have to wear a mask too when you're going out.
Yeah, all the time.
And also wash your hand, and also hand sanitize.
When somebody can touch you, you have to press the hand sanitizer and scrub all
Yeah.
over your hands.
Yeah, even here. And also, if people hug you when you go to home, you have to shower.
Yeah.
or change your clothes.
Alright, we're going to house,
So we're gonna finish video later. We're almost in house.
yeah, when we go to house, we can finish our video by like this.
Yeah. My hair just disturbing.
I just like this day.
It's my favorite.
Look at my hair, kind of really long. I just like my hair.
Look, it's still long. It's everywhere. Look.
Not everywhere.
Yeah, just in my body.
Look, my hair. So pretty. We wear this band because we doesn't style anything here, so we just wear this band so it's gonna be styled, right? Cool. So we're backing home, so it's gonna look really nice, like dark.
We park our car and then we go to home.
Yeah, we're parking right now.
Yeah.
Oh, we turned on the lights. The car. Well, we are almost finished our video.
Yeah.
Bye. See you